Flash floods swept the iconic Las Vegas Strip for the second time in weeks, causing 2 deaths as water to seep into casinos and flood parking garages. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas issued a flash flood warning early Tuesday, just after midnight, warning of heavy rains, lightning, and gusty winds. A severe thunderstorm first disrupted life on the Strip 2 weeks ago, causing water damage to multiple casinos. Jarring video showed water bursting through a sportsbook screen inside the Circa Hotel. Las Vegas city officials advised residents not to drive through flooded areas, to find another route, or wait until waters subside.